Okay, today we're gonna do test 10, section 4 from number 1 to number 20. Okay, before going in there, I'm gonna fix this one. Okay, number 7, test 9, section 4. Test 9, section 4, and number 7. Okay, I chose one wrong choice. Okay, these three x-intercept. Okay, you can go back there, right? This x-intercept is negative 2, this is 1, this is 3, okay? So each x-intercept create what? 3 linear vector. So it should be x plus 2, this one. Second one is x minus 1, and x minus 3 over here, okay? So which one is the correct answers, okay? I choose this one, but this is a positive, okay? But this is the same as before. When you combine this one, x squared minus 4x plus 3, okay? Choice this answer, okay? Sorry about this, okay? Anyway, thank you very much for letting me know, okay? So we're gonna go back test 10, section 4, okay? From here. All right, number 1. The museum charges $D for basic fixed fee, okay? This is a fixed amount, $D. And second one is plus C cent. We have a different unit, right? C cent, you want to express in dollars. C over $100. Okay, that is C cent. Okay, for every 10 letters. This is amount is what? For the 10 letters, one letter is how much? Divide by 10 again, right? So C over 100 divided by 10 is what? One more zero there, okay? So each letter charged what? C over $1,000. Okay. Okay. Each. I'm gonna just each. Okay. So what is total amount? D dollars because we're gonna express it in dollars. Okay. So D dollars plus C over 1,000. After that, we're gonna multiply 300 letters. Okay, that is the number of letters. 300. That is total amount. Okay, in dollars. So this is a 2 zero is out. So actually D plus 3 times C is 3C over 10, right? That is the total amount. Okay, thank you. Choice A is the answer. All right, number 2. We have a linear equation. Okay, AB constant. When x equals 0, y is 3. When x equals 3, y is negative 8. What is the value of f of 6? Maybe you can use y usually two different ways. First, you can decide the value of a and b quickly, okay? When x equals 0, y equals 3 means what? B equals 3, right? When x equals 0, so b equals 3. Now, how can you find a? A is the slope. Slope is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, okay? I'm going to take this as y2, okay? So minus 8 minus y1 is 3, x2 is 3, and minus 0, okay? So negative 11 over 3 is the value of a. So you can decide. Now f of x now equals negative 11 over 3x and plus 3. After that, put this number x is 6 in the equation. Now you can find f of 6. Negative 11 over 3 times 6 and plus 3. This is a 1 and 2. Negative 22 and plus 3 equals negative 19, right? That is the answer. Using the equations. But next one is better, I think, using the slope. Because this is what? Linear, right? Using slope, constant slope. So we have 3 points. When x equals 0, y is 3. When x equals 3, y is negative 8. When x is 6, the value of y, I'm going to take this as a k. Okay, you can use y. It doesn't matter. I'm going to use y is better. How can you find y? The slope is constant, okay? So negative 8 minus 3 over 3 minus 0 equals 2. You can use this one too. That's better, right? Instead of this one. Y minus 3. Y minus 3, 6 minus 0. That is negative 11 over 3, y minus 3 over 6. Okay, a little simplified. Now cross multiplication. 3y minus 9 equals negative 66. So 3y equals a plus 9 both sides. That is negative 57, right? When you divide by 3, y equals negative 19. You can solve it this way too, okay? Yeah. Choice B is the answer. Here is number 3. So one is the exponential function, the other one is linear, okay? So we can solve it directly, okay? Using any factor, something like that, right? This is not factorable anyway. So when you have the line and exponent of it, okay? 2 to the x looks like this. The other one is x is a plus 5, looks like this. We have a 2 intersection there, okay? At these 2 points, the value of x, the value of y, they are equal. Okay, so you're gonna let them equal right now. So 2x equals x plus 5. How to solve this one? This is section 4. You can use a calculator or you can print some number there, okay? When x equals 1, not working. When x is 2, not working. When x is 3, 2 to the 3 equals 3 to the 5. 8 equals 8, right? So x equals 3 is okay. But they're asking you to find the value of y, not x value, okay? So 2 to 3, or 3 over here, or 3 over here. You can use either of these. So y equals 3 plus 5 is 8 is the answer, okay? This is a little bit tricky one. Here is number 4. So x over x minus 5 equals x squared minus 5. Which of the following is equal to this number, x minus 2? That is input. Whole thing is equal to this one, okay? Not x, okay? So whole thing, x minus 5 equals now negative 2. So what is the value of x? Plus 5 both sides, x equals 3. Okay, put this number x equals 3 there. So 3 minus 5 is negative 2. Yeah, you got the negative there. From here, 3 squared is 9 minus 5. Okay, the value of this one will be 4 is the answer. Okay. Right here is number 5. A plus b is 10. It's reciprocal, right? Sum of it is there. Okay, their reciprocal equals 20. So this one is what? 1 over a plus 1 over b is what? ab, right? Common denominator ab times b plus a. That is equals 20. But a plus b, b plus a, that is 10. What is ab? ab equals 10 over 20, right? You can switch any times. ab is up, 20 going down, okay? That is 1/2 is the answer, okay? Right, number 6. The area of rectangle ABCD is 25. So this area, when you make it, this area, this area, this area, they are always equal, okay? So half of that, okay? So the area of rectangle 25, this is also 25. Some of this one also 25, okay? So this is parallelogram. These two triangles are congruent, okay? They have an equal area, okay? This is also 25. So total is, oh, I'm sorry, this is 25. Total area is 25, okay? So each one is 12.5. This is another 12.5, okay? Yeah, sum of these two is 12.5. Total is 25 is the answer, okay? So we have 3 graphs over here, okay? So take a look, number 7. Which class has the least standard deviation? When you take a look over here, which data they stick together? This one, right? Very close. It's okay? They are different, only what? 10 different. To the left, another 10 different. This is what 6. This is also 6. So each one is 10 different. This is a 6 frequency over here, right? So maybe 6 times 10 is 60, something like that. We can compare this one. This is 10 difference, but this is not in the middle. This is how much? 4 over here, right? How much this one? Around 10 difference. Each one is 10 different. We have a 4 here, 40 different. This is also 40 different. What about this one? 20 different, but each one has 20. So we have a 2 frequencies there. 2 times 20 is about 40, isn't it? Right? So this is a little more spread out. This is sticky, right? This is a lot. Is it okay? So this standard deviation is smaller than the other two. Okay. Choice. Second one. Second one, the class better is has the least standard deviation. Okay. The number 8. What is the overall average score? When you take it over here, actually you don't need to calculate because where is the average? This is the average, right? To the right 4, to the left 4, same height over here. This is exactly in the middle. That's the average. This average 80. Also, this is average 80, right? To the right is what? 10, 90, and 70 has the same frequency. Okay? This is also 80. This is exactly also 80, right? In the middle. That's right. Same distance 10, to the left 10, same frequency. Okay? So they are all average is 80, right? Yeah. So total average also 80, okay? Choice B is the answer. The number 9, f of x squared minus 8x plus 12. So what is the coordinate of vertex of the parabola? That is translates, right? Move to the right by 3, right? That means what? 3 unit right. 3 unit right. Okay? So 3 units to the right. That's it. So where is the vertex? From here, can you find the vertex? Quickly you can find the right. I think I like this one. Vertex form is better. X minus half of this number, minus 4. When you make a square, it is plus 16, right? Compare this one, 16 and 12. Minus 4, isn't it? Now you got the right positive 12. 16 minus 4 is what? 12. Positive 12, right? So where is the vertex? 4 and negative 4, right? That's the vertex. 3 unit right. Only x coordinate 3 unit right, okay? This is plus 3. Y is nothing. So 4 plus 3 is what? 7 and negative 4. That is the new vertex, okay? See, or you can put this number into the equation. G of x is what is that? X minus 3 squared, okay? Here, instead of right, x we replace with x minus 3, right? Minus 8, x minus 3, and plus 12. When you expand everything, now let's find the vertex again. You will get the same number over here, okay? But I like this one, okay? We can save a little time. The number 20, this is the exponential functions, 2% compounded monthly. Okay, so we're gonna find only interest, right? So interest means what? After you find the total balance of your take off original, right? The amount. That's fine. So which one has right 2% compounded monthly? Annual monthly is about 0.2. 0.2. That is annual interest rate. Monthly you can divide by 12, okay? Or 2 over 100, this one, 2 over 100 divided by 12 is what? 1200. You can use this one too. Okay, that's the rate, monthly rate. Monthly rate is what? Annual rate, AI rate, AIR over 12, right? That is the monthly rate. But this number should be what? Number of months. That's okay? That will be set month, compounded monthly, okay? Choice D is that, okay? The number 11. You have a circle in the XY plane What is the value of k? This is x coordinate, right? X intercept. Maybe you can make the line over here. This is semicircle. This angle is already 90 degrees. Also, this is xy axis, right? They are perpendicular, right? This is a kind of right triangle proportion, right? I'm going to take this, the length is k. This is the length is about 9 minus 0, that is 9. What is the length of this one? 6. That's the formula, right? 6 squared equals how much? 9 times k, isn't it? That's the formula. You understand this one? So k equals 4, right? So this is 4 to the left. So k equals what? 4 is the answer, okay? You understand? If this is x, this is y, this is z. This is a and b. X squared equals what is that? Geometric mean, right? So a times a plus b. Y squared is what? A times b. G squared is what? From here. B times b plus a, okay? That's the formula. Memorize this one, okay? All right, number 12. Which of the following represent f of x? What is f of x? To avoid the confusion, maybe you can change the variable in case. Anyway, otherwise, this one and this one replace with x. For what value of x, you'll get this value of x. When you print over here, when you print the x plus 3, right? When you print x plus 3 minus 3 is x. So we can substitute x plus 3 in the x. It's okay. So x plus also same x plus 3 in there, okay? So choice C is the answer, okay? Or to avoid confusion, sometimes it's complicated. I'm gonna change the variable over here. I'm going to use a different variable. This is k minus 3. I'm going to use k minus 3 equals k squared plus k plus 1. Now we're going to replace by k minus 3 with x, isn't it? So k minus 3 equals to x. That's the equations. So what is the k? K equals what? X plus 3, right? So put this number k, x plus 3. So we got this one. X plus 3 minus 3 is what? X. K equals x plus 3. X plus 3 squared. And k equals x plus 3. And finally we got the 1, okay? Choice C, okay? I like this method, okay? Okay, number 13. 3p plus 5 less than or equal to 15. What is the greatest possible value of this? Greatest possible maximum value, okay? So we know that 3p plus 5, okay, I'm going to do minus 5 minus 5. 3p is what? Less than or equals 10. It's okay, minus 5 minus 5. Now take a look at 6p. 6p is times 2 both sides. Yeah, 6p is less than or equal to 20. Now minus 5 again. 6p minus 5. Minus 5 minus that is 15, right? Minus 5 minus 5. That's 15. It's okay? All right. So 6p. Okay, I'm going to minus 5. Okay? So 6p minus 5. That is less than or 20 minus 5, okay? So 6p minus 5 is less than or equals 15. So what is the maximum over here? 15 is the maximum, okay? 15 or less than here, right? That's value is 6p minus 5, okay? 15 is the answer. Number 14. Which of the following polynomials is divisible by x plus 1? Okay, maybe you can factor directly. If you can do that, this is why x minus 1 x squared plus x plus 1. That's right. This is not a factor over here, okay? A second one over here, x squared, x minus 1. The other one is x plus 1. Okay? There's no common factor over here. Okay? But this is divisible by x plus 1, not this one. The third one over here, x squared and x plus 1 and minus x minus 1 there. But different factors. Not good idea, okay? We cannot factor. But this is okay. X squared is x plus 1. Another one is x plus 1 too. This one can be a factor. This way x plus 1, x squared minus 1. This already was x plus 1, right? The factor of this one. This is divisible by x plus 1. Choice D is the answer. Or if we have some value of x over here, f of x, we have write the function of x. If this is divisible by x plus 1, so you can put this number f of negative 1 there, right? If this is negative 1, 0, this is what is that? Factor theorem, right? Okay? If this is 0, f of x is what? Has a factor of x plus 1. Okay? Yeah, that means what? The polynomial function is divisible by this factor, right? You can put this number negative 1 quickly. Negative 1 cube minus 1 is negative 2. That is not 0. You can continue over here. This is what negative 1 cube is negative 1. Negative 1 squared is a positive 1. Negative 1 is a positive 1. The last one is a negative 1. So canceled out. It's going to be 0, right? So this polynomial has a factor of x plus 1. That means what? The polynomial is divisible by x plus 1. Okay? Choice D is the answer. Over here, number 15. We have a data over here. What is average rate of change? We set, okay, average rate of change, AROC, okay? That is the average rate of change. 1 to 7. Forget about this one. First and the last point available, okay? So that is what line over here. In the middle, we don't know. Slope of this line is called what? Average rate of change, okay? So y2 minus y1, the line of this is called what? Secant. Slope of secant is average rate of change, okay? Slope of secant is what is that? 4.8 minus 1.5 over 7 minus 1, right? So 3.3 over 6. That's right, 0.55. That's the slope of that secant line, okay? That is we said AROC. The number 16 is two guys work in an electronic appliance store. Ashley is paid $200 per week plus 5% of our total sale. Bernard is $325 and 2.5%. If their weekly pay is the same, what is total amount of day sales? So actually it's about $200, 0.05 times total sales is X. That is equals to what Bernard also what 325 plus what 0.025 times X. That must be y equal, right? So you can solve for X. So minus 0.025 from here. This is 0.025x over here. 325 minus 200, that equals to 125, okay? So x equals to 125 over 0.025. 30, that is equal to how much? 5,000, okay? Choice A is the answer. Here we go, number 17. So we have a graph of f of x and compare, we have another g of x, x squared, okay? What happened over here? We're going to find the right translation, okay? How can you find translation? We need what? Vertex form always, okay? So this is f over dx. I'm going to write it down over here. F over x equals vertex form. X minus half over this is minus 2 squared. Minus 2 squared is 4 plus 5. So we're going to add 1, okay? That is equals to 5. Are you okay with this? Quickly you can find the vertex form. Okay? What is the minus from here? X squared, it was x, but now we replace with the x minus 2. What that means? 2 unit right. One up is what? 1 unit up. That's right. That is translation, okay? Okay. So where is 2 unit right, 1 unit up, okay? Choice D is the answer, okay? This is not left. This is to the right except what? Actually, this is what moved to the left. It was before here. Minus is a move up 1, right? But this one usually move to the right, to plus 1. But we follow this sign. If this is positive, there is plus 1. Up, okay? Negative down. But this is a little different, okay? All right. But this number comes with y to the left, from the left, okay? It was before y minus 1, okay? What that means from here? 1 unit up, okay? Number 18, two circles are tangent each other, and the radii are in the ratio of 1 to 2. If the sum of their area is 80 pi, what is the length of AB? Maybe you can use, okay, this is A, radius. The other is twice, right? 2A. You can use this one too. What is the area of this small circle? Pi A square. Second one is a pi 2A square, right? That is equals to 80 pi, isn't it? So pi is out. A square plus 4A square equals to 80. 5A square equals to 80. A square equals 16. A equals 4, right? You can solve this way too. This is 4. Total is 8 diameter. This is 4. This is 8. Total is 16, right? So sum of these two equals what? The length of AB, right? 24 is the answer. Or maybe you can use, right, the ratio of similars. This is right. These two circles are similar, right? Ratio of the lengths is about 1 to 2 over here, right? Any corresponding side, okay? Radius or diameter or circumference, it doesn't matter. All the ratio of the length is 1 to 2. What is the area of there? What is the ratio of their area? 1 square, 2 square, 1 to 4, right? That means this area is 4 times of the other circles. If this area is like, I'm going to K, the other area equals to 4 of K. Total is 80 page, okay? So you can divide by 5 is what? 16. So each of this is area is 16, the other one is 16 times 4 is 64. Okay, so it's 16 pi, 64 pi. That's the area, okay? 1 to 4. Using this one, you can find, right, the radius. Pi r square, right? Pi r square is 16 pi. Pi is out, r is 4, right? That's why. This is what? Pi r, I'm going to r square. That is 64 pi. So radius is what? 8. Okay? All right. Same thing. This is a 4. This is a 8 still. All right, here is the number 19. The length of AD is 10 and BC is 25. So the value of sine angle BCD is about 0.6. 0.6 is what? 6 over 10 or 3 over 5. Okay, you can use, right, any ratio is okay. So sine is opposite over hypotenuse. Okay, if this is what? 3K, I'm going to 3K. This is 5K. That's right. That's why 3 over 5 in terms of K, right? What is the length this one? 3, 4, 5. That is 4 over K, right? Actually, now let's find the value of K. This is equals to 25. The value of K equals 5, isn't it? Put this number 5 there. 3 times 5 is K equals 5, right? So that is 15. This length is 15. This length is already 25. What about this length? 20, right? 4 times 5 is 20. That's the length. But we're going to find the area of this triangle. Base times, this is the base, not holding, right? When you take row base is 20, that is the area of a right triangle. So we're going to find this one, obtuse triangle. So that's 20, this is the height. So what is the length this one? 20 minus 10, right? This is 10. So 10 times height is 15, right? This is the height, okay? Always height is perpendicular to the what? Base. Extend this times, base is extended one, okay? So that's the height. But divided by 2. So 75 is the area of that triangle. All right, this is number 20. What is least possible value? P plus 6. We're going to find P plus 6. P plus 6 is a squared minus 4a plus 8. Another 6 is what? 14. This is what the value P plus 6. This is the graph over here. That is the minimum there, okay? What is that? Vertex form, or you can use what? X of symmetry and find out the value of y, okay? Okay, vertex form is better. I like this vertex form. Always half of this number, negative 4, half of 2 squared. That is plus 4, right? Compare this, how to make it right? 14 plus 10 more, okay? So 4 plus 10 is 14. So that is the vertex form, P plus 6. So actually, when x is 2, y is 10 over here. Graph looks this. What is the minimum value of this one? Over here, right? 10. That's the answer, okay? Okay, we just finished what from 1 to 20, okay? In next video, we're gonna finish 21 to 38. Okay? Okay, maybe I'm gonna put the right video so using digital SAT questions also, okay? All right. Thank you for joining the lesson. Okay, also next time.